Look up. Above us, the sky is no longer just a boundary, it's a gateway to a new era. Just beyond the blue sky, a revolution is quietly unfolding, not of nations, but of creation itself. The space above our heads is transforming into a realm of innovation, where the rules of industry are being rewritten. High above, the first true factories of space are coming online. Sleek, automated modules, humming with futuristic purpose. These orbiting facilities are more than science fiction. They are the first steps toward a new industrial reality. In the vacuum and microgravity of low Earth orbit, we're manufacturing things once thought impossible. Here, gravity's grip is loosened, and new forms of matter and technology can take shape. This is the dawn of the orbital economy, as pivotal as the first spark of the Industrial Revolution. The world below is connected to the world above in ways we're only beginning to imagine. The year is 2026. Humanity is taking its first confident steps into a new manufacturing paradigm. Each launch, each experiment is a leap into the unknown, driven by curiosity and ambition. We're harnessing space not just for exploration, but for production. Building things in orbit that Earth can't match. The unique environment of space unlocks new possibilities for science and industry. Imagine flawless crystals, perfect alloys, and life-saving medicines, all forged in zero gravity. These breakthroughs could transform industries on Earth, from electronics to healthcare. Fleets of rockets now carry not just astronauts, but the seeds of a new industrial ecosystem. Every launch delivers materials, equipment, and dreams into orbit, fueling this unprecedented growth. The void above is becoming a workshop, laboratory, and factory floor in one. It's a place where human ingenuity meets the vastness of space, and where the impossible becomes possible. This shift is more than better gadgets. It's a new relationship with the cosmos. We are no longer just visitors in space, we are becoming its builders and caretakers. For millennia, we gazed at the stars. Now, we're making space part of our economic lives. The dreams of past generations are becoming the foundation of tomorrow's reality. Orbital factories are the outposts of a frontier that will redefine technology, medicine, and our future. They are the first signs of a civilization reaching beyond its home planet. We're laying the foundation for a self-sustaining economy hundreds of miles above Earth. The infrastructure we build today will support generations of innovation and discovery. Government agencies and private innovators are collaborating, solving the challenges of in-space manufacturing. Together, they are overcoming obstacles and setting new standards for what's possible. We are witnessing the birth of a new industrial age, one that promises unprecedented capabilities and a future of incredible possibility. The dawn of orbital industry is here, and its light will reach every corner of our world. Down on Earth, 2026 feels turbulent. Climate change, extreme weather, and uncertainty seem to define our daily lives. Every headline reminds us of the challenges we face, from rising seas to relentless storms, and the sense that the world is changing faster than we can adapt. Our dynamic planet imposes limits. Gravity, storms, and chaos shape what we can build and how we live. Nature's power is both awe-inspiring and humbling, constantly testing the boundaries of human resilience and ingenuity. But, just 250 miles overhead, low Earth orbit offers profound calm, a silent vantage point above the turmoil, where the planet's storms are only distant patterns swirling below. Here, microgravity replaces gravity's pull. There are no storms, no tremors, just the steady dance of objects in orbit. It's a realm where precision and predictability reign, and chaos is left behind. This controlled environment is the perfect laboratory, a pristine canvas for precision manufacturing, scientific discovery, and technological breakthroughs that are impossible on Earth. The contrast between Earth's chaos and orbit's calm drives the new orbital economy, inspiring us to look upward for solutions and opportunities. As we work to heal our planet, we reach for the stability of space to solve complex problems, using orbital platforms to study, innovate, and protect our fragile world. The chaos below fuels innovation above, pushing us to invent, adapt, and dream bigger than ever before. By leaving Earth, we develop tools and technologies that help us back home, advances in medicine, materials, and sustainability that ripple across society. Orbital factories aren't an escape, they're an extension of civilization, a new frontier where human creativity and ambition can flourish. Humanity bridges two worlds, thriving in Earth's wildness, harnessing space's perfection, and learning from both to build a better future. By operating in both realms, we become a truly cosmic species, capable of healing our home and reaching for the stars, united by curiosity and hope. What makes space revolutionary for manufacturing? One word: microgravity. But what does that really mean for the future of how we make things? On Earth, gravity causes sedimentation and convection, making perfect materials nearly impossible. Even the most advanced factories struggle with these invisible forces. In orbit, these barriers vanish. Materials stay suspended, allowing exotic alloys and flawless crystals to form in ways we simply can't achieve on the ground. For semiconductors, this means larger, purer wafers for next-gen microchips, potentially powering faster, more efficient electronics for everyone. In pharmaceuticals, microgravity enables the growth of large, perfect protein crystals, key for designing better, more targeted drugs and therapies. On Earth, gravity deforms these crystals. In space, they reveal their secrets with clarity, helping scientists understand diseases at the molecular level. This accelerates the discovery of new treatments for diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's, bringing hope to millions of patients worldwide. Microgravity also enables advanced materials like ZBLN optical fibers, ultra-transparent, up to 100 times more efficient than Earth-made fibers, and crucial for the future of high-speed data. A single ZBLN fiber could revolutionize global communications, making the world more connected than ever before. The magic of microgravity is simply better physics, unlocking new frontiers in science and technology. Space manufacturing isn't science fiction. It's a leap in what's physically possible, opening doors to innovations we're only beginning to imagine. The orbital economy is rewriting the rules of industry, and the next industrial revolution is happening above our heads, right now. NASA knows the future of space depends on a robust commercial economy in orbit. Through programs like InSpa, NASA funds private companies to develop new space-based manufacturing. Projects like Redwire's Pillbox grow high-quality protein crystals for pharmaceuticals on the ISS. NASA's support bridges the gap between research and profitable production. The agency is preparing for the ISS's end by fostering commercial stations from companies like Axiom and Orbital Reef. NASA acts as anchor tenant, guaranteeing a market and pushing humanity further into the solar system. A thriving orbital economy becomes the supply depot and manufacturing hub for deep space missions. NASA provides vision, but private companies are building the engines of the orbital economy. Axiom Space is constructing commercial station modules, first attaching to the ISS, then forming their own platform for research and manufacturing. Axiom offers turnkey infrastructure for businesses wanting microgravity's benefits. Varda Space Industries takes a focused approach, launching uncrewed factory capsules, producing high-value materials, and returning them to Earth. Varda's first successful mission in 2024 proved the model works. The falling cost of launches has sparked a boom in innovation, with Axiom and Varda leading the way. This is the new space race, a competition to build a thriving, self-sustaining orbital economy. The orbital economy is being built now, one launch and experiment at a time. In 2026 and 2027, progress accelerates from theory to commercial reality. Rockets carry not just satellites, but tools and materials for orbital industry. Companies like Redwire and Varda are flying real manufacturing missions, returning products to Earth. Hardware is scaling up, with larger, more capable systems in orbit. Each successful mission builds investor confidence and fuels faster development. The exponential curve of progress is steepening. The orbital economy is becoming real. The ISS, our home in orbit for decades, is nearing retirement around 2030. Its end creates both a challenge and an opportunity. We can't afford a gap in orbital presence. The next 2 years are critical for transitioning from the ISS to new commercial stations. NASA's anchor tenancy gives companies like Axiom and Orbital Reef the confidence to build. The goal: a seamless handover, with research and industry moving smoothly to new platforms. This shift marks the true birth of a commercial orbital marketplace. The successful transition will fundamentally change how humanity operates in space. The orbital economy's impact will be felt directly on Earth. Space-grown protein crystals mean better drugs for cancer, Alzheimer's, and more. Flawless semiconductors and Zebaland fibers will power faster electronics and revolutionize communications. New industries and high-tech jobs will emerge, fueling economic growth. Off-world manufacturing reduces Earth's industrial footprint and drives sustainability. Technologies developed for space, like water recycling and solar power, will help us live more sustainably on Earth. The view from orbit gives us not just new products, but a new perspective on protecting our planet. We stand at a historic threshold. 2026 and 2027 mark humanity's industrial breakout into the cosmos. We're transforming space from a frontier we visit into one we inhabit and build. Human ingenuity is now creating factories that fly through space, making the impossible real. This is a collaboration between public vision and private daring. There will be challenges, but the momentum is undeniable. The factories of today are the precursors to tomorrow's shipyards and supply depots for the solar system. When you look at the night sky, you're seeing the home of our next industrial revolution. The orbital economy is our invitation to the cosmos. It's time to accept.